Everyone says if you want fresh seafood, you have to go to the source. And on today's trip, we're doing exactly that. Situated 30 minutes south of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, this little piece of heaven is only accessible by boat, and you'll see why the journey is worth it. But we're looking for a special dish in the region, in particular today, Pescado Zarandeado. The Pescado Zarandeado is the king of grilled seafood dishes in the bay, with red snapper, or huachinango as they call it locally, is a favorite amongst locals and tourists alike. Raul and his son Eder not only serve up delicious seafood, but the view and service here is impeccable. When I was growing up, my mom would always tell me how she would take trips to Mexico, going to Puerto Escondido in Oaxaca, and along the way she would find lobster, octopus, oysters all along the highway, and that was her best memories. And now we're here in Puerto Vallarta doing the exact same thing at my favorite restaurants in Puerto Vallarta. My favorite chef for all things Zarandeado and fresh seafood is Raul, who has been working at Las Animas for the past 10 years, perfecting his special Zarandeado sauce. Our guides, guests, and friends all come to this guy for his famous grilled seafood. Great food, amazing people, a bunch of delicious seafood. What else can we ask for? Oh, look at that. Incredible. You know, it's pretty remarkable. Fresh caught seafood right off the boat into this beautiful palapa restaurant. The specialty of this fire grilled snapper and a variety of seafood like mussels, octopus, shrimp, scallops, and more, with a perfect combination of smoke, spice, and flavor, and all to enjoy with your closest friends and loved ones. And how else to top off this delicious meal? Raicilla, a mezcal that predates the Spanish conquistadores. The smoky profile of this mezcal goes perfect with the wine buzz you get from the delicious taste.
Arriba,
Para abajo, para centro,
adentro.
Cheers, guys. Salud.
The secluded beaches south of Puerto Vallarta are just beautiful and rich with microcultures all on the coast that remind you it's okay to be happy. And I think what you take away from this experience just as much as the food as is the relaxed attitude of life. It reminds me to step out of our comfort zones and to explore the corners of this world, because once you do, you'll find amazing people with amazing talents, full of desires to share their traditions and love with you. The fact that we can jump off a boat and be surrounded by friends and culture reminds us how lucky we are to be in Mexico.